Hi, friends. Welcome to Shinytiny. Have you ever wondered where the sun goes at night and how it comes back every morning? Today, we're going to find out in a super fun way. Let's go on a little adventure with the sun. Every morning, when you wake up, the sun peeks over the hills and says, "Good morning." The sky turns bright and everything lights up. Birds start singing and flowers open up because the sun makes everything warm and happy. When the sun is high up in the sky, it's daytime. We can play outside, see our friends, and have fun. The sun gives us light to see and warmth to play in. It's like a big, bright friend in the sky. In the evening, when we start to get sleepy, the sun starts to go down. It's time to say goodbye to the sun for the day. As it sets, the sky turns pretty colors like orange and pink. The sun is going to rest, just like we do. When the sun goes down, it's night time. The moon and stars come out to watch over us while we sleep. They keep the sky company until the sun comes back. It's like a switch. The sun sleeps and the moon shines. Now, here's a little secret. The sun doesn't actually move up and down. Instead, our earth spins like a top. When our side of the earth faces the sun, it's daytime. And when our side turns away from the sun, it's nighttime. Isn't that cool? So now you know. The sun comes and goes because our earth is spinning around. And every morning, it will come up to say good morning to you again. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Shinytiny for more fun facts and adventures. See you next time.